Rabbi Wasserman writes in his epic of Mashiach following. In the name of the Chafetz Chaim, he says, those whose riches are still in their possession, let them not take comfort in vain fancies that their wealth will endure with them indefinitely. For the Jewish people will be left like an empty vessel. Had they but sense in their heads, surely they would know now how to make use of this money while there's still time. Chafetz Chaim told the students, the world, all of these people think that they're going to protect themselves from this because they have money. They're going to buy themselves a bunker in the mountains. They have money. They do a special deal with Trump to give him, witness protection programs. And he says the children of Israel continued to do that which was evil in the eyes of Hashem, and they worshipped the Baalim, the Ashterot, the gods of Aram, the gods of Sidon, the gods of Moab, the gods of the children of Ammon, the gods of the Philistines. They forsook Hashem and did not serve Him. He says, you know what? Fine. You want to worship all these gods? You're crazy enough to go worship Wall Street, go worship money, go worship girls, go worship guys, go worship all these stuyot. Fine. At least worship me also. Meaning, fine, you're already worshiping everything else. Throw me in the mix. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is calling to Am Yisrael. Okay, fine. You worship all these gods. Fine, you're fine. At least give me at least say Shema Yisrael for me also. Everything that's in the Tanakh is directly from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Meaning that every single verse that we have in the Torah, HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants you and me to read it. Or for the more well-spoken English among us, you and I. Why? Because it's relevant to you. The book of Judges, Sefer Shoftim, not Parashat Shoftim that we're on, Sefer Shoftim. In chapter 5, verse number 23, we hear something very shocking. Barak, who's a tzaddik, righteous person, who was a general in the army, just had a miraculous win in a war against Sisera. He won the war already, won the battle. So the battle's over. He says, curse Meroz, said the angel of Hashem. Curse. Cursed are its inhabitants, for they failed to come to aid the nation of Hashem, to aid Hashem against the mighty. Barak, righteous person, gives a curse of a lifetime. With the Gemara in Masechet Shavuot, page 36a, Ula says that when Barak cursed Meroz, he did a little more. What did he do? 400 shofarot, 400 horns, and then curse Meroz, curse. For what? You did not come to help us in the war of Hashem when you could. It's not about the outcome. Outcome was in the hands of Hashem. But you actively chose not to join a fight for the sake of Hashem. And for that, Barak says you are cursed. And the Gemara says anybody that sees that there's a fight for the sake of Hashem, you're fighting against Reshaim, you're fighting against Koflim, you're fighting against people that are desecrating Hashem's name, and you don't join it. Not that you are just, you don't join the fight. Gemara says, cursed is such a person. Cursed is such a person. Why? You had the ability to fight for the sake of Hashem, and you didn't do it. You're a speaker, people listen to you, you know about the problem, you agree with the problem, but you chose to stay quiet. B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new BeEzrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Kol tu b'chava tzlacha.